Hi, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. How you guys doing? How is each and every one of us doing? I hope we all are safe. Meanwhile, I am that your girl, that your sister, your friend, your daughter, your all and only one human being. Franca Ediale, one of the universe. Franca Ediale, one of Sheshege Nation. I brought it's not a story. It's this lady that is advising, is giving advice to Edo people, the atrocity that they are committing. This lady is giving them advice. You understand? I need to put it down so that we can't just keep it in one place. In a place where some people will hear it and some will not hear it. You understand? I need to put it in my word, in my YouTube word, so that people will hear it and they will take something from it. Okay? Please, let me deliberate on my own side of the issue. Anyway, I don't have anything to deliberate on this matter that this woman is talking. This woman is talking about Iyore, how Iyore was insulting the Oba of Benin, how Iyore went to buy food stuff in this quarantine moment. Iyore go buy plenty food, go give people for Edo State.
Maintenant, iwe ni gwa be ibude na ni be Edo. Cheniro wa kenerisi. Muta we mi no sunu si somo se gbeva. Gbe ha gba na no gbeva je na no ke sunu. No concern awogion bana. Ogion bana ni re Europe. Èmi ni ado sun. Èmi na ma emi e do wa gbonde eyan re do sun. Itu wa ya fe wa ya lamogun. So ina we live do kun ajo because where obi ebo ari obi ebo oda mahia Italy be mana e mereje okpe ni mahia ke be dan ho kedere ra ide but there's nothing in mahia because iya ni do ekina na Italy anje d'Italy anje ma so egbe be na o wa su be na wa ki abore na agin so na ni be la ni be zelu no because of no ma kwa obi edo no gin go bi eda ye ken do ni ya ho ene when that dog latin we short video we no that dog we wu na ya condemn abogun bana abogun to na go gin do na so that ni ala wa dia ope na ke do ni me ke we hian me mi egbe bi na development na gwa ni ke exist no na hin ni ana we ya we business. The point ni honita lemena o ewe ekenemi na kesun o kekeni ma ni bi edu ni ma ekeni o kesun e ma ni ruwe iya ene no we mi dana li duzana na wa do rian Ijore number 1 Ijore ma won bi edu o ma ele edu Ijore na o me ebo ona o me obi gbo ona o me ebrafa eti e got afun eni because apa ope agbon no opo no wi ari ehia se no deyere no se si a because man ori e opo no ya aro bi ba yes ememu eji ori na gbegbulo fo a then no wi ati e mesi no ro o ma we on bi edo ebo ni belele un dan ne di o ma no re jemi ige no wi ati e mo ki face no wu yi mu dia ogun ana gbe ogbe family oni ona re yari obi Turkey ati ubege be ni yana na dina iya nena abogun ba nena iya ma obi e wi ma obi e gon eyan o me then na be buya be ti Sophia no re no we nu dan no we brafa ge yin oni obi e bo be o me why do hu fiya e nena me e gon eyan lele eyan o me ni ya dusa ni adona so e me na we ni be latian ni be to izenu me because if you do can why reage afema o esan o binio so ne da doga ya latin da doga ya zu nu enu gwa ni gwe nu gwa zena igwe nu gwa ya sin o sege ni gbe nu gwa ga ri ebo mo understand du gwa ga ri ebo ne da doga latin nu gwa ja sen nu gwa ja na bo gwa bana na we ni me be do po wo me ni be pe Facebook we je my lie Emaila Naija watch on YouTube, the Facebook, Iweji. Na ni bedo. He condemn the pointing ni honita, the mating ni honi meta wo. Mama you understand the but me understand the since so bet. Yire live video. You understand even no sunu ibi igbo ogwe ma hon. Ibi igbo ogwe ma hon. Bibi gbagwe ma hon ji iyawe mama de bayawe brafa. They are saying it. Me hon e o me vun they are saying it. Gi mama de bayawe brafa. Ve okona ka hon. Ma e o de o ze gi ya ma win okoni. Ibi e do o si. Ga ka gbe. So for that simple reason, a force. A message in here sending now, here send that to una do canu. My do not do canu at here. Look, this is your message, una do canu. I know all of us, we are the same family. Human being, we are the same family, and we are Nigeria. I just want to send this message to you because we are from the same place. We are from Nigerians, but we are not Brafa. If you people said that you want to cut yourself out of Nigeria, that is your problem. The Edo people did say that you should not cut yourself. You should not leave Nigeria, but leave the Benin people alone. We are not Brafa. Edo people are not Brafa, and we don't want to be Brafa. We are not Brafa. If you want your Brafa, go and do your Brafa. Go and fight Nigeria. Don't fight the Edo people. It's not by force. It's not by force to join Brafa. You can't force somebody to join what is not he doesn't want. So this message is for you. As far as you are their capo that send them this message, this for Ogyoba, that is this is because their father, their mother, their family, their generation. Since almost 2 years or 3 years, now it's going to 3 years, they have been fighting us. But we, Benin, we keep quiet. We didn't answer anybody. Now, this message I want to send to you. Tell your people
like that, because all of us, we see her, we hear her, we live her. That means the Edo State people still they draw Iyore say if you never go Oba Palace, go plead for forgiveness for that Oba Palace, for that thing when he talk, say Oba of Benin that, Oba of Benin this, Oba of Benin that, say Iyore must go do cleansing. If Iyore not go Oba Palace, go beg, say wait till anybody they talk, you know do. So meanwhile, and the woman still talk about the matter where the issue of the issue of Iyore go buy food, go they give people for Edo State. Say na insult to Edo State. Say Iyore think say she get sense. Iyore think say after she don't insult the god of Edo State, say she go buy food, make they go they eat their swear because they don't see carry juju come out for one certain time. For 2019, they still they swear for Iyore. So the woman can still talk about the issue. Say Iyore think say if she go buy all those food stuff, go they share for them for Nigeria, for Edo State or for a village. Maybe she thinks say Edo people they go forgive her. Say they never forgive her at all. Say her atrocity still they wait for her. Third, the woman still talk about issue of Iyore they use Edo State. Let me say Edo State. Will I say badge or flag? Edo State flag. That means that Edo State flag now. That Queen Mother where they call Iyesige head. Idian Iyesige Okpoko Nijoba and Emota Noko Dawoba and Okpoko Iyesige and Ide Nokpoko. The woman question talk say Iyore not supposed to they use other women till they collect money from Edo people, Edo children, where they are brother, where they anywhere where they will be say they don't feel they get patience till they solve their problem. That they look for one native doctor or one pastor or the other to solve their problem. When it be said now that they use Iyore's salt and water ministry. Now they use till they bath or till they eat or till they do anything. Say now that one be the new native doctor wey they call no, say all those one are lie. Say as far say Iyore never go Benin, go satisfy herself, say wetin dem dey talk, e no dey there. And the Iyore on her own side, she talk say if God like make e come down, say she no dey go Benin, go beg anybody, say because say she no offend anybody. And meanwhile, all the Edo people,
you are the one, the Igbo people, you are the one that are destroying Nigerians. That is the truth. Because if you say that you want to form your brafa, nobody hold you. But you can't force somebody to come and join you. All these idiots, all these four Ogyoba, they call themselves because they are fools. Because maybe their head is not, their brain is not working anymore. That is why they say that if they want to join people. Please, my brother, if they want to join you, I don't want anybody to insult my kingdom again. I don't want anybody to insult my kingdom and my Edo people again. Because we are ancient people. We are born with respect. We don't want any war. We don't want any problem. We are believing in peace. Please, leave us alone. Leave the Benin people alone. The Edo people alone. All over the world. From your brafa, my brother. All your soldiers that is working for you now, you have to call them to order. That is the message I want to send to you. Nnamdi Kanu, this is your message. All Igbo. All Igbo. Not all Igbo. Not all Igbo, my brother. So I know the bad one. That is the brafa. It's the brafa that I'm talking to now. You people should go and form your brafa. You don't say that you should not form your brafa, but don't ever mention Edo name again. Into this bad news. Into this bad name. Criminal. You people are criminal. You people are mafia. You people are terrorists. You people are fools. We don't say that you should not form your brafa. You should go to hell and form your brafa and burn to ashes. That's not our business. This is the only thing I want to say. If you have the news of when it's about one here, no social media system. Wa my no sunu. Emi no sunu. Okay, no one. Ekele point. I can't be na yemi. Ekele vike sunu. I can't be na yemi. Why there is investigation where even na bona jeve ni na abie mana all way because e mo fi face o ma mo le o we brafa eyin munana ani akole there's one man no call one day from US the man na call o Nnamdi Kanu no ya be so ni Nnamdi Kanu we ina do wo na do investigate e we just Nnamdi Kanu o ikapo yan o we o yen o go giun ni eta mare ni emu na le no concern egwa no have information in here. So anything not like iaga idelo ne no ya so anwuna the boy na we here yo eri me ya engwe Nnamdi Kanu or sponsor yan na ya fefefe, and that is the truth which people don't understand. People are just beating around the bush, fighting yourself, fighting this one, fighting no. We have to start from the point because they are too small to fight with many people. Those two idiots, they are too small. It's somebody, it's big people that is sponsoring them. Ian is sponsoring Ian. Metana, Igbo, Brafa. They all go magwina. Let why can any water, even we didn't want loud. Wa mwebo Igbo. Wa mwebo Gbian. Ni ajunya bi hwe mi ogun no ka Gbian keni ge Brafa. Ogun no ha de gbe Gbian now. Because ogun eyin awon akin kiyen kan ogun be ni afio latiana ogun yan yan gele yan ni variana sisi yan we na gwa ni ke are ba yan gbegbe oko Edo ka de gbagbo de le gbe oko yan ogun ba yan ne no e mo fi face ijo re yan soin ijo ro soin to wa mayen wa ke mi e video ya reba document ya ijoro suwa ijore ma no mu mo fi face ni aiva na we salt and water ya so mi na ni ajira ijoro suwa yenga ro orige me no sunu e mebi eni go ona ya aki oge no do season ni aiva ni go season ni aiva oni na so ijore gigwa le bi no ya mai go meme mu na ma o se aiva ga akin ya aiva the salt and water ministry ya ga do ijo ya so ijore so mi na ijore number 1 o ba number 2 ona mo face number 3 ona Mexico Number 4 na wa Sophia dan amwe ba have no shape. The ugliest girl, the ugliest woman in the world. Woman ni. Oye be chipaze ku. Agbe. Onu emi we ni tabu wa lawo ko. Wa ya ko boku gbe. Esan o, Edo Bini people ora o afema o keke ni wa irigage wa ya latin ka do we video wa mu ebo gbin ana because ami arun pa na sero ohun sise na mu gbin awowa iya wo ma ewu yan ro pa iya gogo ya wo ma yan ro pa da do ma ya ni mere Europe na wa ki ba ku gbo ku gbe wa we ti ebo ni ya wa ya latin wa mu ebo gbin o ha sin gbe but okpa no we ni evanu we ni tawe gbi a u to me ebo egbojujo bi ogun o pe titi ebo ni na no ni agogoji ijore no bi omoze logun agbe no na we emerima egin e ba ijore ga iwe mi pa ijore ya mo ono owe evini e vi o ege emi our symbol, that is our logo, the logo of Edo logo. Ona ya vi o na we he ya ho ni e wetin e ma o bet ni ka o bege ona ya vi o we gen vi o to owo yan ikun ona ya wo bi gbo no da fun obi igbo o nyamiri no gbe o ba gbon logun gbe obi enokun gbe kere ofian wa ni ko na mo ejore obi ata picture iye mebu iye ohun no te va efu ebuwe ime egbe ni meta bu na ejore no bi o moze ime ki gugu ekun na emi nu vio emi edo nu vio nu ya hun go ya vio yo to who wo ijore wo God of ijore when a God have you to he just get wo we mu ni our queen mother we fi ori wu ya hungo wa iwene udo asweni ya eri abi ofen eri abi enye eri ahu papa wa ga eri katapila hin laja mo ni sin ya eri abi ologbo eri esage pe laja mo usweni eri ma usweni eyo uwe wo ni ne oni ma swe una be gbe ri ono o gbe bi mama en lo suru a ma ni ma ebo ya me ya lo suru because me gbe igiwe the important one ro e pick it e fa about you because yen ke ni mu di age why where he believe obo no you are not a Christian. Let me tell you are not a Christian. You are a Christian Iran e ulu Evani gbenu we ni South African we jo ujere we we are ancient people. We the Benin people, we are ancient people. The cradle of black civilization. Ati ma create civilization. Black civilization. The black race in the world. Ikidoni akekba. Any place African country where you got here where you don't know how we be nu mu ja do kinu to na jore egba enu u de gbe eje ba je e te de gba enu iya hi be born we ni anya na we iya ga iti we me ba we iya igwe iri ono ijore ga so pe uga ibe iya be ti we no una be we ni abi ata we eri ma ga to pe o we mama mi no so do a ma mi no so no why is yes we nu when yes we ni ma la rejore avesi egu abata ekme ha who was Ijore one of Paris? Okay, who is Ijore one of Paris? As why ke those who are when I ya dey jo gig ban na when I ya ju bokuta no se we na ya rije na he make it am we is a warning to you emi egwa nu vi oyi nu ya kungo ya vi oto emi e queen ni nu vi oyi queen ya queen man nu vi oyi nu ya kungo nu wo ya hin po we fall unpo udede hiye ugwo ya to mu na he ni we oge no ya vi oto unwera unweje unwe family unwera bi juwe ya wulo na bi era bi juwe family we ro no wulo na re mi eni o e ni ka ogugwe eni o e mo ma be he we go important ime egbe ni meju gwe na tu ma je school ugele ma finish primary 6 ime gita mu we na we ge even we vio ni It's an ancient something. That even where you it belongs to even it protected United Nations. When you're United Nations, the whole world all protected. You are not supposed to have your amasa na enwe do masa na enwe egwa masa na enwe wenu ya ya nudo mu ebe webo nudo ya supon nudo avio ye po nudo ya ineru no ma nudo ya wono na agio nobody no gio una ya avio una we oluhe ya ngo wa ya hiduhu imegita mu wena na we a logo over do no ya avio to is United Nations property. If we want to make case with you Yori ime we royal family ema hunwa agewe because egbe be no dagele lu e na do nwelazia ibi oba avio the royal daughters ya avio ya ukun ya we ya never ya we ya bet but the law you don't try it the logo ge we no nwera ti Yori do maje school when you explain ma we avio be ni ya drop e you to ya drop e ya mugele no ya mugulu igele me wana ugege ya mwe nu ego give you a problem. It's a problem for you. No ya mwe what to bo ego e kwini. We make no kere ovie ka ohun. Let me just say ovie ka do vie do hun. Emi we una we ovie ka e ohun. Ito. Ya fi oyo to. We Benin all over the world. We are prince and princess. Edio Benin. Dio ye do all over the world. Orao, Afemao, Edo, Esako. They are prince and princess. They young of that kingdom. So we are special people in the world. So you have Jody, you are disgracing us, you are insulting us. Do mine and wait the time away now. Because there's nobody no Latin, no hammer when the meaning of what you are doing. A France in where you are. Niaga moba. Oba niaga ni. Maybe you're being all your road. They respect near you. Oh, my have your logo, okay, France or if you're banging anybody or Latin, you have your Yakungoa. Or soon will case a France where you are. That is soon. Una give you do or give you do of you, or you move on a hammer when you have your little view. You are being a business. Yori. When we are Muma Boto, it is our boy am Weboto. It ain't Kayam Weboto. It ain't do am Weboto. It ain't one book when I am Waboto. Oh, you buy then a muffy face. A mess you a cocoa. What we have it here was Sophia. A knee cow walking about here, baby. Wow. A red Budano Gyobu. A TA the name. You know where the red Budano Gyobu. Not you one. Muda even wado age wa wedo e. O mai sun dedemede. Imegita bwana nya gwa nena niswe ni na awo yon bana. Keke ni wariri aje. E ma no gigi wa o. A o no gi ho o. E ho no ho e o. A o no bege e o. Benu wa ya sumani o. Unu wa no we o. Ko bono gbeni mi ki wa o ko bono we wa hian wa hian wa hian lo do pa wa ya la and the family wa kere e mi no sunu bi ko kan sunu ta family wa e wa mu ya je me eti o wa mu ya je ona mi ru we ni na wa e ru na no wa aga ru wa o we ru ya si o ba lo ile do gbe ogun apo kwariana o po kwaria be e mi du apo kwariana o po kwaria be okware ga buwariana o buwaria be ogun bogun ngene buwariana o buwaria be edie do buwariana o buwaria be emi no madele gbe soke waje e bebi wa yan mi emi na ya nya gbona de gbe soke waje si gi wa ariana ria be nwa e wa ya mo ni wa mama iba mi no luware da me wa ki o otutu wa ki o ekenu wa kere o nobody know na do ni ki areba na gwani ki areba wona wa ran po hin emi no du wa se wa ya ha emi wa like se wa ya ha mi me wa nyi na ngwa e wa ya mo ngwa e ngwa e wa ya no because the family wa my family kage la den aka wa ban ya ma ti wa ja o se ni ma na ti wa oni aso la den do ni atawe no re na ma ere de e do wa la ho e gwa wa la ho ma won bowo mama gie ya ma we bi ahin na bi se ba ye o se ni ahin na be ga bo ani a gele wa ga bo ya ga bo ere buda no gyobo e me we no wa ere buda no gyobo e we no wa ya ga po boju wa e ya po boju wa e ya we no wa gbe we ya ite mo mi jore e wa go we no ye na obi ohun na agbe ya una we edo e wa ku vi anu we obi edo bi ka e ka e hu ko se ni baje edo ne ko ehun because do we edo we hinde kenya ya ko wa I believe you want you in 1 year. But here, every night, Tana way. Any cow no baffy a baby wow. Oh, no buy Lena. Any cow no baffy a baby wow. No suwari. No suwari can wa. It can wa belong to because you people are not belong to this head. Wama belong to this head. Wama meditate with Bunwaje. That you are meditate with Bunwaje. Ekin wa don't know why I do. I'm not here with Boo. Who said with that dog at Baradi? Who is my baby or hoe? Who went away are you boy a kinoma hekea? One away. If not so what I had taken. Well, any day, even no logo waka bekan, a guanada nusin. And I'm a book, a bonnet buani over the baby those who are jana. Benito Ian can understand. May understand. I'm from Royal Hole. Royal family kelatin, you understand them no boku why make do time why the na. If no boku why nena, wapa mare webo, e wapa ibi do no webo ni. They no na so why neni latin. Iye na dia no si waka gbe kan gwa. E o de gbe do si wa latin. Na de le gbe awo ma mo wa hin. Mo wa na latin. Anu wa ya ta. Ariana wana we gwa wa muda. Nu wa ya ta. E do mai hon ko ni amana mo bonya ka gade. Okuna ti ma hon ma lenoko edo lenoko awa edo lenoko keke wa I every na mi hanu o ko phone kere no and you people will suffer it wa o ya to ijore wa wo we ari wa emi o pa yo ni time your message now la wo wo tell vie ba egin ya wa wa e wo like ya o wo nya ni go ni connect no wa e wo like ya emi na wo ya o edo ari edo no ya sample we no ya mi yesike no na ge wo ho we ari edo no ya sample u ga ni sample ni na edo u sample my gwa you are free and the why you learn I have vote I gbo ma be gwa ni I gbo ma yan or more e agbo ya he ma ya he who was o so anything I gbo ma wo who ari e ba why we no heke no ne tu ga ya de vie ba e no ya ga u ya we se ni ma be do. No problem. We are welcome. The adult people, we are welcome you. But all we may so my way you panu. Why ya where you bogging a veto? Why am I riding any eye? Jury, Larry, my in well. At any can Italo social media and one door. No, you may point in where may put it make ben you won't. Hear me. Where you born, you are where you again. Una ya zesinia. Una muze una gbeni wejo una mu picture we una wo god of ijori una ya have your name why evi ro pa wi bi edu esunu be gbin an evi ro pa esunu da nwe e wo ya mo bi ya no wan because una giko egbuko because nobody no ge we mi ama we o sunu da ya du me nu ya mama bi edu esunu da ya ma pa ma eva evi ro pa lo bi e wo but I will tell my way. We cook it, why ya was sitting at it too. While I will go, ya even another face in anybody in the post eggy. Wagume show it. Wagume show it, my baby, any of home. Wagume show it is a message to all of them. Here the poverty level, but they should ask questions before I care me. I mean, picture, the picture you're here by your. But on my area, are wide, no near la near your can. You're my zone, you're a bonam bolly licking all garden my yakia. All Gania. You should stop it. Who am I? I'm my Nika, Nika, no potato dinner, my name are not born. My name are not born. Any cow, we have views, almost we are like a doing. So, okay. mama mi ya muso no oni we di tama won ina imana te mata na ehia ma ibi edobia wa ya pagbe wa mo ebo ni rewebo wa ya pagbe wa mo ebo wa mo gbian wa mo ebo wa mo gbian ni aju mu abi ekwo yin ukpona na la na hia mi the end uhun ya ta ukpona ya wo because na me wa ko de iya si ni ya gbe anytime 2 years on ya ke ko ye mata na wala je wa rovira visual no na gbewe de mo fi face no na gbewe mo fi face no na gbewe mo fi uji we wune no your man no je na 90 years the cancer gbo yi mu dia esa gewe ma ukuyo ma sera una we ya mu una din kanu una we mu contract mu igbo wo na ibi esa no ro wala awowo eten ni pe eten ni bo esa e do wa hin e palace di wa ke pa e palace ni wa ke pa ane ke na legberi e ibi oba from palace ba o ya yin san ya be san la chole vi so ni wala wo ibi e wo ne ma ye kele ma legberi wa ga igi ma ni ja kon re gbe ma ibi san ikugun na la ho e no gin wa me odo wa odo ti me gita mu wa na palace ba e yan ke pa e mo na bi e bi oba ogisi atiyan ana ya juwa yodo aya jiyan le da de o ke no ro tu obo ke no ro shekiri no re wori ke no re abagbo ke no ro do e palace ba prince yan ga ya jiyan ida de ya so de kini ma le gbere e mi no sunu wa la wo me gi mi san ya ko pe akoko wa we la tian wa we gun wa we simi osege ne eni ka o ri ma ya fefefe e no e gwa ni o ri ma ya fefefe e no e fon paro e godu ni ma ya hin egbe e no awon pa ilati awon yan do ajo sale e ma na o ma ke na mesi e ma no gbe ukun ni ma ya hin egbe no mo se iyen ere yan jo lo si yiri bibo yan e jo lo si de mu ya tai brafa mu ya tai the Edo people, we are prince and princess, whether you people like it or not. Go and kill yourself. The Brafa people, go and kill yourself. Go and kill yourself. You can pay. We are prince and princess. Leave us alone. Leave us alone. Brafa people. You are the one that started this war. Wala wo ibe san wala wo ime gi nya opa ma ya hin na me kini ma le gbere because a prince aya mu emi je te san no o te se so ro ni ai ni e mi no ro to ba ne ro o gbero da de bo ya e ya re ba ya se ro ya eri obeje be gori eri obeje be ya ngwa ya egbe kera na emi ada be beni ne egwa ba nya ke ya je o ibi obogisi e wa hin mene princess o wa kun na o wa hin wala wo wa ya ko boku be zo e ma wala wo ime gi yin ya ebi ma no ya la ba o we la egbe ma gi egbe o egwa is a young man, is a young boba for my young man wala wo wa ga give a stress wa ga give a gwa stress ma we wan em we di ma ya all over the world no man wa ero ne ma hiro mo no gbe right years ne gi omo mo na agugwa no we ne ya mo problem ki o wa Pagi malu enwani maya iwe mi ya eri ya e boze disturb e we ibi ya no e wi ma traffic feel ono na wi ma traffic ona wo ona we e stress eri ya hin o me family o mo ewo o me mi ya o kedo gba ogedo o too much igberu wala awowo pagi ma be lu enwa ni ma be zi o ma ni bere webo e mi ga bere ma to bi ma be simu koko I got a problem because the problem is too much. Amen. I may be a sana. Ni allow. If your book is a granny, what you are on what you ba. Na ko boku be. na solve a problem anything no sunu wa side na eh ya wa mu gian do wa ni asolve ma be ma cho we se na gi omomo awu mu dan na ogi obana ogi dona ti ma ayo we le anti the tin ni ka o the tin mi du kene so get to won bo kon gene okwa ahun agbian e mi do kan ba fi e be yan o kan agbian ya mo ni mama e mi do kan agbian ogun kan agbian o to kan ranu mi ije no bi ma na o to na ona bia mo na bi ho o kan ne ya anwa me e ho na la ya gbe na bi we to e bo na han asian gbe e bo na ri me gbe han asian gbe ya ga ri ba no ko to ri o kan asian gbe aso ane avana owe ane ni ama sei ni ere guda no gbo me we no ba fie be yin awo ina we no ba fie be yin awo no siare ni ama na sei ni we no siare ni ado ta e mi no kan gwa e mi no kan gwa ni ado ta wala wo so ya stop we na wala o yesan wa gie a message na wa gie wala email ya e Facebook me na ewe you want try wala wa come share anybody no get wa come share no say my yabo wala wo da doge sinyo sege yu ere mama akwa ma eva ya le jemi when you have lati and da doge be wo ge le kini ya be se bo ma mo bowo wa le lati wa ta wa be wa mwe bo gbia na ya en we just wa gele mo bowo wa mwe bo gbia muda etini ansi otun mu chegbe etini ansi so wala wo ibi esan ibi I don't know how to say it bini esan esako nokpa afema e family okpa ma yake e palace va e wa yake pa va ibi obogisi e ita imegite di minimum wana ibi oba ogogisi e awa fema hin e esan hin e ora hin aso akoko edo yan ni iko do ni le yan hin ibi e shekiri eyan be ibi obogisi eyan hin agbo ibi obogisi yan hin kenire eko ave eyan ya ni ro do ni nire eko ibi obogisi eyan ya hin ibi oba e palace yan ke vian ya ajin ajisi na ti yan ibi obogisi imegi do tabu wala wo yesan e na fonji wa ko boku gbe na ya resolve problem na he ni ya ma be macho ma be pele me be pele mama that dog ya pele no ma we pele we bo ero me 28 years he ma understand so wala wo I have my family here na be lajin asijo mo na ta ijo mo because me gwa le mi no ton nobody know egere bo na itori no stage so na be na ya so be ne san do gbe do no ne do no pa no any ne san no ko no mo bowo those things if you san wa we lajin wa we gwe mu wa gon wa we tamia we ni awu na ma wa ya sin se ge mu wa re den ni ya meta if you san ya me ku gona den ni wa sin se ge ni bu wa re if you wa na be aro no ti mo fi face no go egun ano ya le kokole ya ta wa kamia we wa magie wa ya la tan wa ta mi wa magie gele wa magie ahun so owe no lu won ka wi aso o ka wi yo iwe iyan awon emi awon ya we dun ya mo be ti wa condemn en wa la tan wa we sin se ge wa ye ni wa ro den ni o ya meta so na wo ni be tu wa ya wa we se o iye boy e cassette na video na mi pe na
the issue of the issue of Iyore go buy food go dey give people for Edo State say na insult to Edo State say Iyore think say she get sense Iyore think say after she don insult the god of Edo State say she go buy food make dem go dey eat their swear because dem don still carry juju come out for one certain time for 2019 dem come still dey swear for Iyore. So the woman come still talk about the issue say Iyore think say if she go buy all those food stuff go dey share for them for Nigeria for Edo State or for im village maybe she think say Edo people they go forgive am say they never forgive am at all say her atrocity still dey wait for am. Third, the woman still talk about issue of Iyore dey use Edo State, let me say Edo State, will I say badge or flag, Edo State flag. That means that Edo State flag now, that Queen Mother, where they call Iyesige head, Idian Iyesige, Okpoko Nijoba, and a motor Noko Dawoba, and Okpoko Iyesige, and Iden Nokpoko. The Umakwasi talk say Iyere not supposed to they use other women till they collect money from Edo people, Edo children, where they are abroad or where they anywhere where they will be say they don't feel they get patients till they solve their problem. Then they look for one native doctor or one pastor or the other to solve their problem. When it be said now that they use Iyore's salt and water ministry, now they use till they bath or till they eat or till they do anything. Say now that one be the new native doctor where they call no. Say all those one are lie. Say as far say Iyore never go Benin, go satisfy herself. Say what did they talk, they there. And the Iyore on her own side, she talk say if God like make it come down, say she know they go Benin, go beg anybody, say because say she not offend anybody. And meanwhile, all the Edo people, all of us don't take and say as far say the word don't come out from her mouth, say na insult. Because the Oba of Benin, nobody dare talk to him. Okay, and after you don't insult the Oba of Benin finish, you can't still come on for this time where be say all of the don't still cost you. Where be say you never go do your cleansing, you can't still come on, you can't still go barefoot, go to share for them. Not be saying a bad thing you be do, that good thing you be do. But the nemesis where the follower they come, it not too much. That is why we the Edo people say we not agree, we not agree. All those injustice we not agree. Say we not agree. Not be say they not still appreciate you, Iyore, for your salt and water ministry. But it's just that some kind things nobody fit tell anybody as they want to live their life. But when it don't become of state, everybody go say their mind. That is why we dey from this Franca Ejale China. I will consider give you the more information. Say they say they not agree. They not agree. You must go back to Benin. You must go do cleansing. You must go beg of Basemi forgive you for waiting you talk. Say you be talk, you not come talk again. Say without that one, peace no good day. And that will be the information when I get today. When I want to give una do well. I bet Mona not still forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Mona not forget to write una mind, to say una mind. If una really they support Iyore, say Iyore do and well as they use all those pictures till they collect money from its state, from people. Edo godmothers, as they use Edo godmother till they collect money from pictures, say they collect money from people. Or as he never go Benin, go do her cleansing. Or as he go buy food, go share food for people where they in need. Those of some of una mona still reasoner. If una dey support of Iyore, wetin she do, we know say wetin she do, some good, some bad. Now so life dey be, the good and the bad and the terrible and the nicest. And so we go continue. Make una not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. As you take subscribe to my YouTube channel, and so God will take the bless you, they go all the days of your life. Thank you. I remember your girl Franca Ejale, one of the universe. Bye bye. Anyway, I go put the video of the woman. I go put on there so that make una understand. Maybe the Benin are not go to here, but una fit still put on for language translator, and language translator fit still translate for una. You know say this time around, this our time now. Everything dey inside Google. If you find her, you go see her. Okay, now that one be the one when I did. I can't still be. Now some people come still they talk say this one no be Iyore photo. Say Iyore no get any issue when you want talk. Say Iyore no be person where they spoil Benin. Say na the government na in they spoil Benin. Say if they want even go find people who want do cleans itself, make they go start from the government because say they know they try. That is why they see a lot of courtesan, a lot of native daughter, a lot of evil things, kidnapping, killings, or even all those Hausa Fulani men, they keep people anyhow, they do as they like. Now because say na bad government, because if they don't collect money for the upper side, the lower side wey be say they know they come, they not go know wetin dey happen again. Even though they even hear wetin happen, they not go wan care again. Say not be Yore, not be they cause the problem. Say na our Nigeria government, Edo state government, not be this one way dey so. The one way don't they call, the one way don't pass. Say na their fault. Say may nobody blame Yore. Say Yore see they do as her own hand reach. But the woman dey vex, the woman say she not agree. She not agree, say e no fit be like that. Now somebody still talk to the woman say na because say Yore dey bring light to Edo state people so that make them dey aware of wetin dey happen for the country, of wetin dey happen for the state. All those juju native doctor wey dem dey go before, make they don't dey go again. Say there is no need. Say the because still they use this her water and salt still they cleansing themselves. Maybe something unnecessary happen to them. You understand? Now so the matter come reach, and one of our brother Kosi talks say since 1967, say many things don't happen. Say Nigeria no fit dey safe again. As well say they don't try many things for that Edo state. Say may Edo state dey safe. Say be like say e no fit dey safe. Say but who they enjoy. Now I Kosi talk say wetin Edo state don't do for in people. Wetin Edo state don't do for the people ever since? Say nothing. I cause people this small matter see John and say things dey bad well for Edo state. Things rugged, things rough, things mania, things gbago for that Edo state. Say now wetin man go do now? Na man pikin suffer run comot go Europe. Even though they call you say you be okpo, say you not be okpo. Abeg use a raw body because you do some sacrifice for yourself, so that may your children life be better for tomorrow. You understand? Say some people go sick on, we run come up for the states. Everybody runs. Some even run come Europe. Some run go all this any country, Ghana, any country that exists, any country where be say they exist, where be say it not be Edo state again or it not be Nigeria again. Say you don't vermouth, na be that. Say na wrong, now you can't do wrong. Say now make many of our people can't they do the work we're not supposed to they do here, but now may our life take better. Now be that. Say like say we get better government, all those things not going to happen to our children. Say now all those things you already try to talk to make awareness so that make people they know. Say see what they happen. Most of them now what they try to they let you know. Say see what they happen. As I say all these people they don't see their eyes, don't they see light for 24 hours. That they always see most things, and most time you don't need to keep on for yourself. You need to bring her out so that the people who see there around you, they go see they feel you, so that they will still they work out with you, so that they'll still they learn, they will still they grow up, so that their generation will still they wise. Now so the matter see they go, I'll see the download the matter for now small. I beg me you not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I still remember your sister, that your Franca Ejale, your daughter, your friend, your auntie, your cousin, your entrepreneur, your all in one human person. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. As you subscribe to my YouTube channel, and so God will still bless you more. In Jesus' name, amen. I still continue. I can still continue say as the matter don't be like this now, everywhere don't make whoa gbag do say what happen. Say that at those states nobody go fit control anybody destiny again. Say we the youth we don't decide. Say we know the agree or we know the greed. Obaseki we know the greed. Say if all these Hausa Fulani keep people for that Edo state, make una they give their parents money. Make una not just let them they feel bad all the days of their life like that with nothing. Mona they clean their mind with big money. Mona they pay their insurance. More say I still put that one inside. Say make them they pay them insurance. Now everything cause it continue, cause the waka. I cause it try to the pull. I can see try say ma still put 1 or 2 words see John and say make anybody not the trauma go they give our state again. If you be Romeo, I bet me anybody not the trauma go they give our Romeo again. If be Edo, me anybody not go throw mouth dey give our Edo again. Make you know say Edo and Uromi, they be the same papa, the same mama. Na brothers and sisters e be. You understand? Make una no dey hate una self like say Edo and Uromi marry one husband. No, they don't marry one husband. Make una see they let una self they know say we be the same. Say anybody wey talk to our Edo kingdom anyhow, say e no go still sweet us. Now that be the message when I get for una today. Oh, thank you. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. I greet everybody wey come around, come watch am. Bye bye.